My name is Barrie Llewelyn, and I'm a senior lecturer in creative writing at the University of South Wales. Today we're starting Speak to Me Too.
So the Speak to Me project was started in January 2020. It brought together a group of refugees and a group of English speakers through the university. We formed tremendous friendships. We celebrated birthdays together, and we just sat and we talked to each other. It really felt like we'd sort of broken down tremendous barriers, and these people were very open and honest in a way that I don't believe they would have done had they not been in the safe comfort of the environment that we were in.
In the first project, we had funding from Literature Wales and from the English Research Unit, and we had lots of support.
It means a lot for me because I lived experience in being a refugee and being an English learner. So I do know what means to be fled to another country and to learn about the culture, the language, and how important it is to be involved in the community. I feel that this project will give the people more confidence about sharing their concerns, their ideas, supporting their mental health as well, so it means a lot.
This started off as a project to enhance English language acquisition. But what's actually happened is that a community is formed. I feel like this is my one small thing I can do to help, and I feel like if everybody did one small thing, the whole place would be better.